Welcome everyone to David's recycling and homestead preparation. I'm getting ready to go on another trip to the store. I just wanted to show you how to install turn signals on this scooter. I'm also installing my wagon while I'm at it, so I can get on the road a lot easier while I'm doing this. Okay, the turn signals I bought are the rechargeable ones, which are this piece. There's several other pieces here too. This piece, of course, you've seen the which one did I hit? Okay, you heard me testing them by accident. But I'm going to show you how to install the back ones here. I'm going to go with the left first, which is the one in my right here. That's it. I'm going to go back here to my trailer, and I installed it to the trailer. Okay, I'm fixing to install the right one as well. This will, these adjust, thank goodness. Okay, for where I'm living at, I have to have turn signals to go on the road, but I've been riding the scooter for about a month without it. But for going left, I hit the left button, which is this one right here. To go right, I hit the right button. If I need hazard, or it'll make a stop for a while. But I am fixing to get I'm also show you how to install the remote part to this onto the scooter. Let me get around here. Okay, I'm taking the rubber piece here. I'm going to go to the, okay, so I'm supposed to put it on this, show them the instructions. I'm supposed to put it on this side first. Okay, and I'm going around the handlebar, pulling up, and I'm tucking it in like it's supposed to be. That's how easy it is to install turn signals. Still got to wait until next month or till July's check to get the actual mirrors. But I am taking my battery pack with me again today. That's it for this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one.